Mackenzie, and I'll be your tour guide for the next 41 seconds. I know. We are headed up to the observation deck, of course, which is up at 520 feet. That's out of the total 605 feet, or 184 meters at the very tip top of the needle. We were built in 1962 for the World's Fair, some of you might know. It really was just built as an observation tower, so exactly how you're using it today is how it's been used for 52 years now, just to kind of view the city and enjoy the sights. 52 years, I know. And you'll see we are kind of still in the center of everything, despite all of the crazy building that's been going on in the last several years, especially. You will have views in every direction. Downtown's over to your left. We're obviously looking straight at the Saltwater Puget Sound, so enjoy the sights. You're welcome to stay as long as you like. Have a great time. Thank you. You're welcome.
21 seconds. Do we just get in the line and go back down? All right. Let's get down.
It's like the Ferris wheel now.
Yeah, I know, but like I said, there's a couple of y aparte de eso, de